Fights hair loss hormones. The shampoo, conditioner, and foamer contain green tea, saw palmetto berry, and caffeine extract. These natural compounds help block dihydrotestosterone or DHT, a hormone that shrinks hair follicles and stunts hair growth. Men-Women, designed to help men and women achieve thicker and fuller-looking hair. Most experts agree that DHT is the main culprit for hair loss. Our advanced formulation is the most reliable way to achieve thicker and fuller-appearing hair based on decades of scientific research on the root cause of hair loss. Visibly Thicker, Fuller Hair, our triple-action shampoo and conditioner has helped tens of thousands of men and women change their appearance for the better. If you don't see thicker, fuller-looking hair within our 60-day satisfaction guarantee, simply request a refund. Safe to use, the natural kit is free of harsh sulfates, parabens, and other additives that compromise your hair and overall health. That means you can feel confident about incorporating these formulas into your daily routine. Backed by leading dermatologists and scientists, formulated by some of the world's most renowned hair growth experts, these solutions use proven science to revitalize thinning hair. The result is hair that looks full, healthy, and strong. Top reviews from the United States. It works. I have had hair loss for several years now. Tried everything to stop losing my hair. Nothing worked. I took a shot with this set and I couldn't be more happy. No more handfuls of hair in the shower or bathroom floor. Scalp and hair are squeaky clean and it does not wash out my salon color. I have signed up for auto delivery.